We in the last video we were explaining for showing the one image on the graph. Yeah, you have a matrix. It's going to be the line row 1, row 2, row 3, and column 1, 2, 3, and this pixel. If we just create a one matrix, actually is going to be the one matrix, and put the information, the color RGB here, I mean this place. If the on the matrix row 1 column 2 and I remember the Penny how much she told me to pronounce the column, but I always make a mistake anyway. This, if I put the three float numbers mixing the RGB, you will see that pixel on the screen. Okay, what we're gonna do for the just plotting the colors, we gonna have the one matrix. Is actually this matrix is using the NumPy, and that's why I have to import NumPy as an MP. And what it's gonna do is gonna just create the matrix. Is for the first time is the ratio. Okay, the ratio is the number of the rows, because you don't want to just show one pixel. It's a one row. That's why you have to for the height of your picture, I just define it as 100, and as a ratio, that means ratio number of the rows is a ratio, number of the column is the number of the is the length of the our array of the color, because every color is going to be one column in our picture, and each item in this array has to have a three place for putting the RGB number. Okay, and the thing is here, the next line, this initializing everything to all the colors. I'm making with these two lines. I'm making the 100 lines, because my ratio is 100. That's why you see that for the 100, for the 1,000 times, I'm repeating a loop. Okay, and I'm repeating a loop for the 1,000 times, and here is the colors. It says permutation, but I just ignore the permutation, and what I've done here is the permutation, and I'm saying that for the I, it's actually you just I need to have the permutation. Okay, I'm going to make it clear, more easier for you, and this one because sometimes Python use a very shortcut to writing the code. Even it's very difficult for understanding, because it's always better to write the more lines to understand the logic better and not memorizing. If you see, this one row is going to be the range of the ratio, and the column is going to be the range of the colors. That means 10,000, 100 multiply 1,000, and I'm going to say image row and column is the color column. Okay, that means 100 times 100 row. I'm writing 100 times 100 rows with a different color, and this is more understanding is for me. That's why I just, for understanding that line, actually took about half an hour to I wrote it, that program with my own way. This way, exactly doing the same. I will explain on the picture later again if you still don't know what is happening there. But the fig and axis, if you go to the internet and see how you can create how you can plot some graph or something, there is lots of tutorial as well. I just this subplot is, you can have a different subplot on the window of the graph, and it says that one subplot is and the figure size is going to be the 8 and 4, and I don't know is the parameter of the 8 and 4, maybe is the inch or centimeter, I don't know, is the window, okay, but is the size of the window. And on the axis is says the image show image. Our image is already in the matrix of the 3-dimension row and column, and each item inside the that's 2-dimension is the one array again. That's make it 3-dimension is going to be the RGB color. And interpolation nearest, I don't know, just I didn't check it, I didn't care about that. Axis off, that means doesn't show me the number of the is the measuring of the axis of the vertical and horizontal, and they show the plot. That's all we did. That's one. We are showing the information of our array, not writing in the text, writing in this way. Okay, trackbar must listen call last. What is that? Was giving error. Here's the line 3. No visual numpy random. Oh, Matt, we have to just import Matplotlib as well. Okay, because we're using the plot is the Matplotlib. Sorry, is we have to use the Matplotlib as well, and because we are using the PLT. You see, this PLT is the same as this PLT. Okay, and I'm gonna run the program. Oh, what is the name? That's Canadian image column colors. What is the? Let's try and get that. Import Matplotlib. That is PLT. No module name. Matplotlib. Okay, I think I have to install Matplotlib on my computer, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my I show you. I'm gonna go to my C drive, Python 237 scripts here. There's a pip here. I have to go to here, Control C and CD scripts, and I just pip install. This is a Matplotlib. Okay, copy. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna write it. Matplotlib, and just 1 minute. Okay, 8 minutes and 13 seconds. I'm trying to make it short, but it's not. Why time's passing so fast? And okay, collecting and installing. This is how you can install the. Actually, I'm happy this happened, because maybe you face the same problem, because I already wrote this program in the lab, and I just downloaded it from there on my computer. And we are waiting for 8 minutes for 15 seconds. Come on. I cannot pause it. When I even pause it, is still they're counting the time. Yes, water. I hope you don't hear my drinking noise. 9 minutes, 23 minutes, 23 seconds. Come on. Install it. Okay, 9 minutes 41 seconds. I think I'm not able to finish the installing on this video, but I'm gonna see you in next video for after installation, and I'm not gonna change anything. You will see the same